everybody, welcome to another episode of My Hungry Family. Today we're making lemon poppy seed crystal cake. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to catch new videos. Grate about 2 teaspoons of lemon rind. In a mixing bowl, crack 3 eggs. Add in the lemon rind. Add 2 tablespoons milk. Beat together. Over on the stove, in a small pan, add a half cup of melted butter, 1 cup of sugar. Heat and stir together until the butter is completely melted. Into the pot, add 2 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons baking powder. Mix together until combined. Stir in the liquid milk and egg mixture until combined. Add in 2 tablespoons poppy seeds and mix together. Pour the cake mixture into a baking dish. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. While that's baking, we'll make our lemon syrup. In a small bowl, add 1/4 cup sugar and 1/4 cup lemon juice. Remove the cake from the oven once done baking. Poke holes in the top of the cake with a toothpick or skewer. Whisk the lemon juice and sugar mixture together and evenly distribute the syrup on top of the cake. This lemon poppy seed crystal cake is ready to serve. Soft and lemony with a tart topping. It's delicious. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.